Hello. Welcome to the cheat sheet for lesson 4 quiz on multiplication. You should have a piece of scratch paper. You can write down anything I'm doing to help you out on the quiz, okay? You can also come back and watch it if you're super stuck on one, okay? So you guys are about to be in here, so I'll go record this quickly. Number 1, Janelle can drive an average of 295 miles on 1 tank of gas. How many miles can she drive on 16 tanks? So they broke, it's 295 times 16, right? So they broke 295 and 16 to do the area model. So 290 and 5 times 10 and 6 for 16. So you have to show how are you going to add these up, because that's the last step of the area model. You can see it on our learning target on the board. So you just have to, in the show your work section, show how you added those up to get your solution. So you get points if you get the right final product. You get points if you show your work. Okay. Number 2, let's go down a little bit. Number 2 says, which expressions are equivalent to 647 times 39? So the first thing you want to do is break this apart into area model. So if I break it apart, I'd have my hundreds, my tens, my ones, and then times 30 and 9. So I guess I can just write in here 4,647 and 30 and 9. So then I would break it apart. So I can think about this a few ways. Like, I'm multiplying 30 times 647. I'm multiplying 9 times 647. And then a couple of these down here have a whole bunch of stuff in them, because some of them may accurately show that it's 30 times 600, 30 times 40, 30 times 7, and then you add all those to whatever 9 is for each one of those, right? So really showing how you break it apart. So I could go look and check, all right, 600 times 39. Yeah, I guess it would show that right there, right? So because I see a 600 and I'm multiplying that by 30 and 9. So these two boxes would show 600 times 39. So I would check these other ones and see if those match my area model. So first step, draw your area model and then see if those are in there. Okay. Remember, you can always pause this, go back, change it. Let's go down to the next one, number 3. Examine the multiplication problem below. There it is. Which expression shows the numbers that are multiplied to find the partial product of 26,100? So right here is 26,100. So you have to tell me what 2 things were multiplied to get that 26,100. We did some of these in class, so you could always go back and check in your math book. Might not be in there though. I don't know, but you can look. You can always go look in your math book if you're super stuck. Use that. These same ones aren't going to be in there, but they're similar problems, right? Number 4, a grocery store has 184 shelves for bottled goods. Each shelf can hold 27 bottles. How many bottles will the shelves hold in all? Show your work. So we don't need any units in our answer, right? Just type the answer. So it's 184 shelves. Each shelf holds 27, so it's 27 184 times. So you could either do standard algorithm like this. Don't forget to add a 0 because that 2 is a 10 when you multiply the 10. Or you could break it apart, 184, 180, and 4, 20, and 7. Oh, I can draw on my face. Give myself glasses. Now I'm looking cool. And then, so those are your 2 strategies, area model or partial product. Okay, I'm not going to do any more for you. And the last one, this is a super hard problem. What's the product? So they're just telling you 1,914 times 43, and that's it. So you could do the standard algorithm, 1,914 times 43. So again, remember, you're going to have 2 partial products. I'll have the 3 times the 1,914, and I'd have the 40 times the 1,914. If you're doing area model, you're going to have 8 partial products, right? Because this is a 4-digit number. 1,000. Oh, you can't see that. 1,000. So I would have the thousands. So I have 1,900, and then 14 is a 10 and a 4, and I'm multiplying that by 40 and 3. So it's a 4-digit, and you guys all figured this out the other day, so great job, because we did one of these in our math book. So I'm going to have 8 partial products that I need to add. If it was me, I would do the standard algorithm because I don't want to have to do all those and then add them all up. But I also like the area mode. So either one works. Whatever gets the right answer, just make sure you show your work in the show your work section. All right, good luck. When you're finished, you should get on iReady. You might want to check your other quizzes. Today's the last day for quiz number 2, and then it's going skyward. So check your quizzes, go on iReady, get those 60 minutes. Good luck.